Whose blood is that on the towel?
I've been feeling helpless, sick of seeing all the selfish. Now I don't care. Found myself a new vocation, calibrated.
Right, I'm up to about 100 names now on our wedding list. There's someone that's missing that needs to be there. My grandson, Thierry.
Someone needs to get their skates on, or they won't know what they're missing.
So you don't know where he lives?
Me and Brooke gave him up for adoption, remember?
It was a really difficult decision at the time, but the right one for Thierry.
Check these bad boys out. My new campaign flyers have arrived.
I haven't forgotten about you giving him away, but you must know where he lives. And I can't imagine not caring about where my flesh and blood is.
What for, miss? Luke wants Thierry at our wedding.
He's your kid, Ollie. You can't just forget about him.
I could ask the same of you, Dad.
I'll go and check on him. Why don't you lay off questioning Ollie for a while? Zara's got a big day of campaigning ahead of the local council election. Want to help?
Yeah, sure.
Ow. My head hurts. So come on then, out with it. What happened? Where's James?
Jean-Paul, I just need you to understand that I was only trying to help.
Okay. Help who? But where is he? Tell me!
There are two clues that you seem to have missed. One, that I'm a grown adult, and therefore two, I don't roller skate.
But it'll be fun. Look, the truth is, I'm worried about you.
What we're thinking, Shackles are going to get down on bended knee, only for him to propose to Nadira. Thank you for the humiliating recap.
We just want to cheer you up.
Yeah, and Cleo's going to be there too.
What's all this?
We're trying to persuade your sister to come roller skate with us.
Yeah, we'd invite you, but we know it's not your thing.
Oh, don't worry. Girls only. I got you.
Yeah. Anyway, so what's it gonna be? Are you coming or are you gonna let Zoe down?
Take a wild stop in the dark. Bye.
Over the dark.
It's the middle of the day.
Oh, I do apologise. And there's me, thinking you're one of them functioning alcoholics who don't think twice about getting behind the wheel of a school minibus half blotto.
It's coffee. Here, have a taste if you don't believe me.
Ugh. I'll take your word for it.
How's Mercedes?
She's missing you like mad. You know, I've never seen her this devil before.
Really?
No, not really. Do you know what I don't get? You had a nice career, good money, yet you'd still choose to spend half your day more plastered than the patients in there.
How were they plastered?
You know, with casts and that on for broken bones, what were you thinking?
I've made mistakes in my life. Okay, who hasn't? But I didn't expect to be ostracised by the entire family.
Talking of family, well, you nearly cost my prince's job.
I didn't ask him to lie for me.
No, but he done it to protect you. You know what? I really hope James knows what he's letting himself in for, because if this is how you treat family, he needs to watch his back.
Hi, I'm sorry about your dad. You know we didn't mean to upset you.
I got upset because that's right. Sometimes I go days without even thinking about Thierry, and then I see a kid in the park playing football with his dad, and I feel guilty. I know we made the right decision, but I can't help wondering if he'll ever think about me.
This guest list, there better be some eligible bachelors, because I haven't copped off in ages.
Or maybe I should introduce you to a bottle of shampoo. That might be a help.
Is my dad coming canvassing?
I thought it was upstairs with you. Don't tell me he's wandered off again.
It's okay, our mobiles are still synced.
Oh, that's weird.
What's he doing there?
Are you sure you're okay about yesterday? And all my questions? I just feel like there's still so much I don't know about you. What can I say? I'm enigmatic. We can play another game of truth or dare if you'd like. Or we could do something else that's fun. My friend Olaf runs a mime club here in the park.
Brooke, look, I wonder if you could help me. I want to invite Thierry to my wedding.
Who's Thierry?
My grandson. The baby Brooke and Ollie gave up. Didn't you know?
Hey, how you feeling?
Well, I've just had stitches. How do you think? Is Dad not here?
Well, at least you got a war wound out of it. Most of us were just up all night.
Well, I apologise. I didn't realise me getting stabbed to be so traumatic for you. I guess you just didn't care enough to check if I was okay.
Yeah, about that.
About what?
Hey, how's a patient?
Well, a bit suspicious, to be honest. Last night when they wheeled me out, Dad said he'd be right behind me, but I've not seen him.
Ah, yeah, the thing is, love, he,
Had to leave.
And go where? Look, can someone just tell me where Dad is?
Get some rest. Detective want to continue questioning you later.
Now, I think I ordered the continental breakfast.